Hey guys, welcome back to the Z&Z Show. Today we are unboxing a limited edition LOL Pearl Surprise.
Unbox this. The ball is blue with glitter all over it and it's pretty.
There's also a blue handle to carry the ball wherever you go. And there's a seashell on the front with two L's behind it saying unbox this. Without further ado,
let's get started.
There's a zipper, so I'm gonna pull here because it said so. See? Hello. They got two safety locks, so you're gonna have to pull them out. It say LOL Surprise on the back, what it look like little bubbles. And there's a tab right here to open it. And just to know, do not open it like this. I'd rather like put it on this side and open it so nothing won't fall out. Okay. Let me open this up. Wow. It says LOL Surprise again right here. A seashell right here. And some little pearls. So it says me first. Hey, over here. And a box me. And these are like shaped as little pearls. This is like a seafoam color, and this is like a whitish kind of color. So let's get these all out.
So they have 3 seafoam
and 3 white ones. These are pretty cool. So we'll open one at a time. You go first.
Little white sheets.
They're cute. Like kelp or something like that, like, you know, sea colors. Pretty cute. Okay, you open another. Ooh.
It's like a little baby suit bottle.
Also, guys, please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And it's a top. It's like a kind of like blue seashell bra. That is pretty.
It's a little shell shirt with this pink clear. It's pink and clear.
It's a blue skirt. I love the ruffles on it. Okay, now that we're done with all these balls, we're gonna go to the next layer. Wow. It's a big shell and it says dunk me. So that means we're gonna have to dunk this shell in water, but we're gonna use the big surprise ball because this one is too small and everything's gonna overflow.
Bring us some water.
Yeah. It's huge. Can't wait to start unwrapping this. It's double wrapped.
Look at all them fizz bubbles.
Sounds like when you open a soda, don't you think?
Yeah.
This side look like cheese and this side look like ice cream.
It's very pretty.
See, this side is kind of like an orange. So guys, it's Fizztopia. The place where stuff fizz.
You see, it's a little blue there.
Put it back. Oh, look how the water changed.
Look at the water.
This one cries.
This one cries. The shell.
Let's dunk it in. Some more, cause look, I can see a blue shell. It's flipping on the other side. Oh, it's done actually. Thank you for the napkins. Let's dry it off. Bit knife. You stay over here. Because we got a special surprise for you and Puppeteers.
Get close here.
Ready, Zay? For the grand opening of the shell. Whoa. So we got a big one, a medium one, and a little one. Let's open this stuff up. It's a baby sister with a pacifier and a little diaper that's really blue. And look, it got an anchor on the back. You probably can't see it, but it does have one. And also her hair is like a pinkish, kind of shiny color. Isn't it beautiful?
Here we have a blue soda can with a pink stripe on it that say pop. And this for her big sister.
This is the big sister. And guess what? They're matched, except she is not small and has a pacifier. She is cute and she wants to say something to y'all. Okay, like and subscribe. Okay? And leave in the comments, do you like LOL? Now I'm gonna go change my clothes. Goodbye. Guess what? We're doing another giveaway. The limited edition LOL Pearl Surprise. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. If your kids love LOL Pearl Surprise, then stay tuned. Be sure to like our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks. Have a good weekend.